Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Bree. I talk about all things mainly vegan and cruelty-free beauty. Yeah, we got real life going on here. This is the realest of the real. It's my first time trying Mod Beauty. I got these little samples. Okay, let's take a moment for this packaging. Look at this. This is what it came in. I got these little samples. So I got 2 lipstick shades. I got the shade N34. It's really pretty, kind of like, I don't know if it's like a brick, but it's very pretty. I think it's their matte formula. I'll have to see. And then also I got this shade, and I got the shade M61. So yeah, matte, M34. So so yes, 2 mattes, M34. And then I got 2 foundation samples. Yes, my hair is frizzy. I haven't done it yet. Okay, so yeah, this is, we don't do, yeah, I'm not like, this is just me, my real skin, pores, no filter, leftover makeup from last night. Yeah, a little bit of leftover makeup from last night. And then, so I didn't know what shade to get, so I got the shades Neutral 10 and Neutral 20. And I put it on for a second yesterday. So I'm gonna be doing half sponge, half brush. But their whole system is like refillable. These are tins actually. But look how simple this packaging is. Like, you see packaging, like, let's just say Ulta, Sephora. And sometimes this is humongous box, and then you get like yay big. So I wanted to try these, and it's cool that with every order you get 2 samples, and it's all the different products. So they have like powder blushes, powder bronzer, cream eyeshadow, powder eyeshadow, cake liner, a mascara, and now they have the blurring ceramide cream foundations. And they have a really large shade range. I will look up how many shades they have. And they also have matte lipsticks, obviously, and then cream lipsticks. And they're again, everything is refillable packaging, which I think is really, really cool. I believe that's all their products. So I wanted to, and I'm actually holding my camera because it's like, it keeps going like this. It keeps going down. This is a one show, okay? One woman show. So I'm gonna try to see, I'm gonna show you guys the shades. So, and it feels so creamy. So we have Neutral 20 right there. And then we have Neutral 10. And I was thinking about using Neutral 10 as like a concealer maybe. So they're pretty similar, as you guys can tell. This is lighter than this. So I'm just gonna kind of blend it in. And that's basically like my shade. And then use the other finger, blend that in. And there we go. So they both like blend in pretty well. Maybe Neutral 10 blends in a teensy bit better, but like just to even out my skin. This is literally like my skin normally. So I think I'm gonna do Neutral 20, and then I'm gonna do Neutral 10 under my eyes. So I'm gonna use my finger just because it's like, I showed you guys like this little sample, but I'm just gonna put like a little bit, and it comes in this packaging, but larger obviously, and I believe it's a recycled plastic, mostly recycled plastic, and they're trying to be even more sustainable, which is awesome. So you can either buy just the foundation or for $23, or you can buy the entire, like basically like with the compact and the refillable packaging, or refillable, whatever it's called, the refill so the compact and the refill for $28, which I think is actually a really good price. So I have, my skin type is, I have dry / sometimes it gets oily in my T-zone recently. So combo, I guess. So I don't even know how much to put on here. I don't usually put a lot on my forehead because, like, I mean, my forehead's not perfect, but I wouldn't say, you know, it's bad. So this is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. And like I said, I'm not wearing any primer. I did put sunscreen on and moisturizer. I am breaking out a little bit, so we're gonna need a real test here. I only put a little bit on. I didn't know how, you know, buildable this would be. It feels so creamy. Let's do, it looks like a really nice shade. I prefer like a medium, like sometimes light coverage, sometimes like more natural finish, I guess. Like nothing matte, it's just not my thing. This is very blendable though, like it feels really nice, which I know it's supposed to be. So I was really excited when I saw this coming out. I've been wanting to try Mod Beauty, but I just haven't, because they're not cheap, but they're not like, I wouldn't say super expensive. It's just like, girl on a budget here. So I'm gonna use my close-up mirror too. It looks really nice, in my opinion. So I think the brush is nice, but I wanted to also do a sponge too, because I know I've actually been using a sponge exclusively this week. Using the sponge exclusively this week just to see how I like it. Probably not gonna be able to cover that up, but sometimes for extra coverage I just use my finger. But that blemish that's healing, it feels so nice. Like it just feels really soft. It's drying down a little bit, but it doesn't feel like dry. I wonder if it's like gonna be transfer proof. We're gonna use the sponge. This is just like I think it's either a Luxie or an Elf sponge. Yes, I have kids. I only have one with me right now. The other one is at her father's house. So I also like using a brush and then blending out on top with a sponge. I've been liking that as well. So yeah, I have a little bit of dryness on my nose. Sometimes I have, again, like combo. Recently getting out of the shower, obviously. Trying out a new shampoo. I will let you guys know how I like it after a few uses. Like, yes. Mommy. Oh. Hello. It's Liv. Mommy. Hi, Mommy. So I am having some dryness, of course, under my chin, but that could stop. So it's a little, I do like it though, but that's just probably me. Like I just need to exfoliate. But maybe if you have like extremely dry skin, I do like it though. Like, but I wouldn't say like, no, it's not like full coverage. But so I have freckles, so I'm trying to like show you guys how it covers up if it does. I'm using my finger, but I think it looks pretty similar on both sides, like sponge, brush, and then I'm gonna do the N10. I'm gonna do the N10 under my eyes. I usually use a corrector, like a color corrector, but even then I always have like this darkness right here, no matter if I use a corrector or not. Like I just haven't found something that fully cancels that out. That's just how it's been. I always get like darkness here. All right, and I usually, oh my gosh, sorry about the leftover makeup. Yes, I slept in my makeup. I don't know, I've just been really tired. It feels really nice though, like very smooth, and it is blending out really easily. Doesn't seem like it dries down like too fast, so like you have some time to work with it. Ooh, that does look really, like it does look really skin-like for the most part. So I have, like I just have dryness sometimes. It does look really nice. Look, I'm already having some creasing under my eyes, so I am going to set both sides because obviously it's not crease-proof for me. I wanted to do a check-in. So it feels really soft. Like it has this like skin-like feel to it. These are both from Mod Beauty. Lipsticks are really pretty. So I did have some creasing. Now I did just use light powder, but like I always have darkness, so they come out with color correctors. That would be great. Because even with color correctors, like I'm not using one today, but I always have darkness no matter what. I just can't find a color corrector that's fully like gets rid of this darkness. That's just me. So I did have a little bit of creasing here, but I always have that, and my skin is really dry right now. My skin like goes through phases where it's like I'm combo, but then I'm dry. So it's not necessarily the foundation's fault. So, but maybe if you are super dry, like I don't know if it's gonna work for you, but that could just be me, okay? But yeah, I'm having some dryness here and some dryness here. I really like the lipsticks a lot though, really pretty. But I don't feel shiny, but then again, I haven't gone outside, but it has like this skin, like, it's not super dry where it's like, I don't know if it is transfer proof or not. I think it would be though, because it doesn't feel sticky. It feels really nice, and okay, I just put sparkles on my face, so excuse that, and I just had eyeshadow on my head. Oh my God. Hot mess. Okay, don't come over here if you want something super put together and somebody super like glam and fancy, because that ain't me. I'm going to use the Mod Beauty foundations again. I want them to come out with tin packaging like this so I can put it in like a Z palette or like a magnetic palette. So it's kind of gloomy outside, so you're not getting any natural light outside, but I got pores, I got redness, I got breakouts. It looked like medium coverage. For some reason on camera, sometimes things look lighter. And then I walk out, I'm like, whoa. Like, get in the car. That's like the real test. And I'm gonna show you guys with a brush. It looks pretty with both. I think I can get away with both shades, honestly. But I wanna try their blushes, I wanna try their bronzers. Like, I wanna try all their products. I want to try their highlighters. They just look really natural, which I like natural on my face, on my eyes. I mean, obviously, I don't really like natural on my eyes, to be completely honest, but yeah, it has a really nice finish to it. So that's how it looks like. That's up close. So I do have like the dryness, even though I did exfoliate. So I don't know how this would be on oily skin. I'm gonna do color correcting. I'm gonna color correct under my eyes, and then we'll do N10 because that's what I always do. So yesterday I did not do that. I always have this darkness, like my orbital bone, like under here. It's just, even when I do color correct, you'll see. And I didn't see a P10, so there's like a P20, but I feel like under my eyes to color correct, I like to use like a pinky kind of tone just to like correct my darkness. So like it does have like a dewy look to it. I did put a hydrating primer on. I tried to like exfoliate, like I exfoliated last night, but still got the flakes, so I don't know what's going on. But I want to get both shades, but I may be good and just get N20 for now because I do have concealers, but it's not like I need, but I just like the finish a lot. And then I'm gonna do my face and I'll be right back, and then we are gonna do another wear test. And here is my final look. So it's like a buildable, like light to medium coverage, but final look with powder and everything and all the makeup done. So I do get a little bit caked up from here, but that's every foundation. And I have some dryness, like I said before. Dryness. It does look really nice though, very like skin-like. So yeah, I'll do some check-ins and then do my final review. The end of the day, so it did wear off a little bit on my nose, but that could just because it's dry, and this is just me up close. I have sparkle for my eyes, but I don't see anything weird, so it may just be a me thing. I mean, it's not too bad. Like, I've seen worse. And, you know, sometimes foundation rubs off my nose. I don't think I touched my nose today, but it could just be me. And I was, like, cuddling with my kid and stuff, so I don't know. But nothing weird to report on. I'm just breaking out everywhere. Nothing. Actually, it did really well on my 11s, because sometimes foundation gets in there, but yeah, nothing weird. I do want to purchase this, so I didn't set, like, a lot, but yeah, I really enjoyed this. I don't know what happened to my eyebrow. Probably because, again, like, cuddling with my kid. Like, this is a real, okay? This is a real over here. I'm not trying to, like, you know, blow anything up somebody's, you know, like, I'm, like, I tell it how it is. I tell it, if I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. But I do like this. Like, it's not drying. I don't look oily. Like, I don't have nothing, like, yeah, no oil, nothing excessive. I was in my house all day, so I want to give you that too. Like, I didn't leave today. I was just, you know, spending time with my kid. So, yeah, but I really enjoyed it. So there's my 2-day review on this. I would recommend it. If you enjoyed this video, I have done a couple foundation reviews, and those are, like I said, very real. Like, I have nothing. I wasn't sent this. I paid for this myself. I literally just got like a sample. They're $1 a sample. Let me know what else you want me to review. Any foundations. Now I only review and buy cruelty-free and vegan makeup. So yeah, but yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.